So today I'm just going to show you on how to export and import the hash, also upgrade the OS to a new version. So originally most of our devices come with Home Edition. Obviously, in order to do an autopilot reset or get the full autopilot experience, you need to be on either professional, education, or enterprise. So for this video, this will be more like a demonstration. So originally this device was autopilot. It was actually registered with Azure, but I've actually wiped the machine clean this morning, so it's all clean and it's with a Windows 10 Pro version. So as you can see, there's a serial number 0626284453. So if I was to bring the video, if I went to bring, I'll show you what happened is that currently it's not sitting there. So there's no results of it, and that's the purpose of this video. So you can tell that I have a USB key in there on D drive. So what I'm going to do is merely type in cdd, and I've got D. What I'll type in is because as I have to export it, I have to run the PowerShell. So I'll run PowerShell.exe. This will load to PowerShell. As you can see at the top now, it's PowerShell. So what I'll type in is just something like this. So this is the unintended export and import. So as long as you have interconnection, it will do the job. So just press enter. And as you can see, it's very complained. It can't load. So what you have to do is just type in set-executionpolicy, unrestricted. And we'll try again. Now you can see it's going to kick off, and you can say it's waiting for device import, which you can see here. So give it some time. And ideally on the console itself, which I'll move back afterwards once it's done, it will show up as not assigned. So we'll just give this about a minute or two, and it'll kick in eventually. So now you can see that it's completed. So we're just going to move to the actual browser now. So let's see if it's there. So what I'm going to do is simply click refresh. And now you can see that it's the Microsoft Surface 7 Pro, and as you can see, it's not assigned. So here we just simply have to wait. So you can tell that's ready to enroll itself, which is what you really want to do. So that's that. So with this bit, we simply have to wait it out. So the default profile will be the Azure Auto, the default Windows Autopilot Azure join profile. So it will give a bit. So you have to really wait a few minutes for that one to get seeing that happening. So what I'll show you ideally, what profiles are we supposed to be getting? So let me just go and roll profiles here, and we go to deployment profiles, and at the moment you'll see 4. So the current ones that I currently use are these 2. So the hybrid one, so any device that gets exported and imported, the default profile is this one. Obviously the reason why behind this is because I want to make sure that it aligns with everything I do with the hybrid. So currently hybrid it does work. It does need a bit more tuning to actually get there, but other than that, it does work fine. So obviously I'll show you a bit later down the track on how to actually get this profile pointing to the hybrid one. So if I click refresh, still going to be empty, so you have to give it some time. So roughly it's going to take some time for it to happen. So you can see that it's 2:18 now, so we'll follow up with this video soon. Thank you.